Hello students, today we are going to start reading part of chapter number 4, A Dog Loves Cake. So here you have to open page number 44. I'm going to read the chapter, you just put your finger on the line. While putting your finger in correct line will help you to pronounce the correct pronunciation of the words. So be ready for reading. Here this particular page number 44, is related to write down the name of a pet which you have with you or with your friends or relatives. Okay, so you can write down your pet name, your dog's name or cat's or parrot or any bird's name in the blanks given below. Okay, so here we are going to start reading of this chapter. Let's get started.
Now let's read this story about how a pet dog behaves and what his master does.
Mr. Jones is an old man. He lives alone in his cottage. His best friend is Toffee, his dog. Every day, Mr. Jones follows the same routine. He gets up late in the mornings. He has a wash and then he goes out for a walk. He takes Toffee with him. He first goes to a coffee shop at the corner. He drinks a cup of coffee and eats a slice of fruit cake. The cake is for 2 rupees. Toffee sits under his chair. He gives him a little cake. Here in the particular screen, you have some hard words, like first word is here cottage. Yes. The second word you have follows. Yes. The third word is routine. Then after you have one word corner. Then after you have 2 rupees. I hope you understand the pronunciation of these words. Now let's move further. Then Mr. Jones crosses the road and buys a newspaper. He gives the paper to Toffee. Toffee holds it gently between his teeth and carries it home. He feels proud doing so. Last month, Mr. Jones fell ill. He could not leave his bed. The doctor told him, "You have got the flu." Now, Mr. Jones could not go out to get his daily newspaper. He thought of a plan. He gave a 2 rupee coin to Toffee. Like a rocket, the dog shot off and came back with the newspaper in his mouth. After a week, Mr. Jones went out. The newspaper seller told him, "You owe me 14 rupees. Your dog took 7 newspapers and didn't bring any money." In this particular screen, we have some hard words. Let's pronounce it again. The words are crosses, buys, newspaper, holds, gently, carries, and proud in the first paragraph. Now let's look the second one. In the second paragraph, we have the hard words like fell, leave, flew, thought, rocket, shot off, and mouth. In last paragraph, we have hard words like week, newspaper seller, ove, 14 rupees, and bring. Now just open page number 46. I'm going to read this. So you just put your finger on the line. Mr. Jones was surprised. I'll find out what Toffee has been up to, he said to himself. Next morning, he gave Toffee a 2-rupee coin. The dog dashed out. Mr. Jones followed him. He saw the dog go to the coffee shop. Toffee put the coin on the counter and got a piece of fruit cake and gobbled it up. Naughty dog, said Mr. Jones. Toffee heard his master's voice. He came to Mr. Jones and hung his head in shame. Mr. Jones patted Toffee and said, "Don't do this again." So here in particular slide we have some hard words like surprised, himself, dashed out, followed, counter, gobbled, naughty, heard, hung, shame, and patted. Now let's move further. Now Toffee does not even look at the coffee shop. When his master goes there, he sits outside and wags his tail. Once Mr. Jones gave him a big slice of cake, but Toffee did not eat it. Often Mr. Jones tells him, "You are the best dog in the world." Then he seems to glow with pride and joy. Now in this last slide of reading, we have some hard words which are not easy to pronounce. These are in, outside, wags, once, often, seems, glow, and pride. I hope you all understood how to pronounce the correct word in a proper way. Children, do practicing reading. It's really important to understand the chapter and you can easily understand the other subjects well. So kindly practicing reading properly and make yourself a better reader. Keep smiling, keep learning. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.